Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. All right. So first off, I'd like for you to know this one right here is just adding the Binance network, and we do have a separate video for it. Okay. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Binance Smart Chain. Okay. So to add the Binance Smart Chain, so what you're going to do is just go ahead and install this extension or MetaMask extension to your browser. Okay. So go ahead over to MetaMask.io and just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, click on get started, and the next page will ask you if you want to install the extension. So just go ahead and install the extension, and if you can't find it, well, just go ahead and go back, okay, and you'll be able to see it under the Chrome Web Store, MetaMask as well. Just click on it and just add to Brave or add to Chrome or add to Firefox. Okay, follow the simple prompts, and once you have the extension, just click on it and just log in. Okay, so once logged in, go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, and go ahead and click on networks. Okay, so in here, what we're going to do is just click on add a custom network. Now here's the fun part. Okay, so listen closely. So what you're going to do to the network name, add in BNB chain or BNB Smart Chain if you want to. Now the RPC URL would be, click on add right here, https://bsc dash or hyphen dataseed.binance.org/. Okay, again, https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org. If you're hesitant with this one is actually from Binance website. Okay, so the RPC name, just leave it as is and just click on add URL. Now the chain ID is 56. So as you can see here, it's giving me this error because I already have it. So just follow it. So 56, symbol right here is just BNB. Scroll down, Block Explorer URL, well, type in, add right here, of course, https://bsc scan. Okay, again, https://bscscan.com, just like so. Once done, just click on add, and then finally, just click on save right here. I won't be able to do that because I already have it in here, and you'll be able to see it right here under networks as well. Okay, but if you can add Binance right here under additional networks, you can go ahead and do that as well. Just click on add. Well, that is how you add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.